Here's a two Emerson Pro Series Builder Plus ceiling fans. I know they're called Builder Plus because I could tell it has the, oh, you're not Builder Plus. The dorm staff knows that was outside, yes. The dorm staff knows I was outside. So, because all my dorm's on the field.
It was awesome.
So, anyways, here's the control for it. I'm gonna put them on low. They buzz. But my dorm staff knows that was outside because everybody's out there on the field.
What is your remote setup?
Yeah. Oh, they're actually Pro Series. They have the newer logo.
Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna leave this here.
They buzz. They're on variable speed. And anyways, quarter of a turn, like medium low.
It's nice to see you, Ryan.
Nice to see you too.
You might have to be somewhere soon.
Okay.
So,
Hold on.
I don't know.
That one wobbles. Slower than that one. Medium. 12 o'clock. That's how it was when I got here. Sorry. I have a mask on. KN95. They buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. And high. High. And a quarter of a turn. The other ones were pretty loud when they were on the variable speed. These ones are kind of loud. They move a lot of air because these are good quality builder fans. This one's a little slightly slower though. It's over the kitchen. Let's make them buzz on high. Buzz, 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 buzz. Let's put it back on high. So we have to get up to speed so we can do spin down and spin down if I have time. So I might have to be somewhere. I'm sorry, these things take a long spin down time. I get nervous on that too. I've done that with the other one, the one with the bell canopy. These ones have the normal Emerson canopies. They might replace the control in here. And this is kind of the final moment that I'm doing it. And the control is a can-on control. Forgot to mention. They just buzz crazy. That's what they sound like. The other ones sounded like that too. But they were louder. They're going. It was loud. And I might do 0 to high to them. Well, on a separate video for summer startups. This one is very, I don't know. I know the other area, the 42-inch one, is the girls' area, so I didn't want to do spin down since I had to be in a different area. Hi, Josie. Thankfully, I did a remake of these. I haven't done them in a while because of COVID, and I was stuck in like pods or cohorts. Somebody's in here. Thankfully, they're spinning down.
What's up? What are you doing?
Not much. Taking video of the fans.
Invading my dorm?
Taking a video of the fans. Doing spin down with them. I did all the speeds, like low, fast, low, medium, and high. A quarter of a turn. Quarter. Someone might stop first. It's almost like a hunter fan spin down. You know, the spin down the hunter is like at the Colony Hotel in Florida. They had a bunch of random hunters. Nail had a long spin down. That's what it reminds me of. Two fans. That's why I get nervous and sometimes sing a lot. If I did the other ones, I'd probably sing sometimes. The AC just kicked on. I like using AC in the fan. AC in the fan is pretty calm. All right, I'm actually not going to do 0 to high in this video. I'm going to do 0 to high for the summer start of 2022. Hopefully I get a video of the other ones. I'll probably do 0 to 60. 0 to high, I think. This one's still going. They're all clean, it looks like. I know last time I was in this, last time I was to video, these are very gooey. That's why a lot of people avoided them. I like using them. I'm okay with them being dirty, but not really dirty. One of the Emerson Pro series is in the complex area is really dirty. It was actually thank goodness it stopped. So anyways, that's the Emerson Pro Series. Pro Series 2 ceiling fans. Thanks for watching.